Make a paragraph proof given B is the midpoint of AC, C is the midpoint of BD, prove that AB equals CD. All right, so what's a paragraph proof? It's a proof where, you say given blah, 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 then blah, blah, blah because of this property, then blah, blah, blah because of that property, then blah, blah, blah because of that property, and therefore AB equals CD. So what do I have to do with this problem? Well, I have to state the given first, and the given is B is the midpoint of AC. So here's AC, B is the midpoint, which means that's going to happen. Okay, what else do we know? We know that C is the midpoint of BD, so C is the midpoint of BD, which means that is going to happen because by definition of midpoint. And so by using this, I need to show that AB is congruent to CD. So probably a lot of segment addition postulate stuff, probably a lot of this guy's congruent to that guy, this guy's congruent to that guy's stuff. And we have to put it in a paragraph using sentences and stuff like that. So we are given your first statement, your first sentence, your first step is always the given. We are given B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, period. So I said this in a previous paragraph proof video, don't cling on to my wording structure because I'm terrible at writing sentences. I'm just doing it so that it's right. I might have misspelled words. I might have to erase. I just know it's right. Now, what I also know what midpoint means. Midpoint means takes a line segment and cuts it in equal parts. So we could say by definition of midpoint, we could say that AB equals BC. And while we're at it, let's take care of this one too. And BC is congruent or equal rather to CD. Now you're going to love this because this problem or this proof is done after this sentence. If AB is BC and BC is CD, then by the transitive property, AB is CD. So let's say that by the transitive property, AB is CD. And that's it. We're done. So I was expecting this problem to be a whole lot worse than it really was, and it really wasn't that bad at all. Sometimes paragraph proofs aren't that bad. In a previous video, it was bad. In this one, it was not. But yeah, here's paragraph proofs for you. Tons of fun.